Good morning, my dear children. Dear students, it's a very good going that you people are taking part in competitions, quiz programs. Okay, very good. We appreciate. So this is chapter number 6. We're gonna start it today. It's all about responsibilities, how we deal with responsibilities. Okay, no task is a big or small. If we take it in a positive way, the task becomes a leisure for us. We learn everything in our day-to-day life. Let it be a small task, big task, medium task, whatever. So this is let me give you the brief of the story. This is a story about one girl and who is a very hard-working girl, brilliant girl. So a teacher always give her task and she stood always well in those performing those tasks. So in present means in last year she stood. Her name is Rima. She stood good and she stood first in performing her tasks which was given by the teacher. And in present year, the teacher did not give any task to her, and she feels little bit sad. And but at the end, the task which was given to her, it's really a brilliant task, and she comes with the flying colors. So the day when different tasks were handed over out was with one of the most exciting for all the students of grade 6. It's a story about same class you are in. So different tasks were given to the students and they were all excited. It took place during the first week of term. On this day, every boy and girl was given a task for which they would be responsible for the rest of the term. Sorry. So teacher gave the task to the students and they were thrilled, excited to perform these tasks and all because they performed these tasks with responsibility. And the task is a kind of a project work. You can say task is a project work. Like some people are making the quadcopters, some people are making the forest of different patterns of forests on the canvas paper and all. It's a kind of a project. So they all children were so excited. As with everyone, some students found their tasks more interesting than others, and students were eager to be given the best ones. So, depends upon the temperament, depends upon the hard work and kind of intelligence. So, many people, many students feel it very exciting and interesting, and some of the students feel it normal because it depends upon. Some people like physics more, some students have a good hold on chemistry and all like that. Some people are very interesting about doing these projects and all. Among them, Rima always stood first. Not first, she always stood good. I say all among all the students, there was one girl. Her name was Rima. She always stood out. She was a reliable and a kind girl. She was always taking responsibilities and not the trustworthy and always finding herself and others in a good spacing. And she was a good kind girl. During this process, sorry, during the previous year, she had carried out the teacher's instructions perfectly. So last year, when start means in fifth grade, when she was in the fifth grade, she followed the instructions given by the teacher so perfectly. All the students knew Reena was the favorite to be given to the best of all, best task to all. When when some students are putting very much hard work more than the required, and they stood always with the good flying colors and all. So teachers always get little bit kind of a special corner